Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. I'm going to call it Trumpeter's Thursday because I'm a former trumpet player. I haven't played in about 10 years. Last night I prepared shrimp and asparagus stir fry. And it had a few other veggies in it, like mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I got asked, why the long grain white rice? Do I prefer that over the others? It's because that's what I grew up on. I grew up, as most of you know, I grew up in Michigan, the Detroit area, and that's what my mother served. And that's what my mother did. And so I just kind of carried it forward. I do like other types of rice. I love brown rice, but it has to go with the right dish. Especially since I use the baking method, which I share over and over and over, because it's so easy and effective. I like jasmine rice. I like sushi rice. I like sticky rice. Sticky rice is really not a type. And I'm actually finding jasmine, since I have a microwave method for jasmine, it's just as easy as long grain. That's why. Tonight, I'm going something basically no protein. Just because this has morphed from a pasta and oil kind of thing to pasta, oil, garlic with some veggies. So let's take a look. Got a couple Dutch ovens. One's for pasta. The other one is to put the whole meal together and to saute the veggies. I'll be using linguine. I love linguine. I have some mushrooms, which I'll quarter. Of course, there's some unsalted butter, some EVOO or extra virgin olive oil. Guess I'll be using that instead of my pumice. Garlic, of course, lots of garlic. They finally had, when I tried to buy red peppers the other day, they didn't have any. I mean, they were gone. I think they just didn't get any. But they had some yesterday when I was picking up green veggies. I have the other half of the asparagus that I purchased yesterday, and I bought a couple of jalapenos for this little dish. Kosher salt, black pepper. This is, the FM stands for Farmer's Market. This is the basil, the fresh basil that I dried and cultivated and processed for the kitchen. And I might be using some red chili pepper flakes. It depends on how the jalapenos do. Of course, I have my handy dandy big metal colander. So as you can see, this is a very simple dinner. I think there's more prep in this than anything. But it's okay, because as you know, I use prep as therapy. Yeah, I put my headphones on, listen to some good old 70s, 80s music, and just rock out and just do it and get it done. And just home. Yeah, all right. On this Trumpeter's Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking.